my attic room, and I've got a daughter who's moving house, and it's going to take about a year for her to do that. So I said she can come and live here. But there's a very funny staircase here which makes life a bit difficult, it would make much more sense if we could have a loo up here. We've got a basin, so the plumbing is here, but we haven't got much room. We can't make a separate bathroom, but there's a way around that, and I'll show you, because what we can do, we can actually put a loo in a cupboard just like this.
Hi, my name is Albi. We've just finished installing this Hidealoo. The client wanted something fitted in here, which is invisible at the moment. But once you open this up, you'll get a loo out. As you can see, we've used the space we got, which you can easily stand using the window. We have the sink here as well. Flush button. This is fixed with bolts straight to the floor, which this floor was actually ply, so it was easy to tap into. Existing plumbing. We had a sink here already, so we tapped into that.
Well, I've been having a good tidy up because my daughter's moving in a week or so, and the chaps have been here with their Hidealoo, and you can't see it. I can't see it either, but I know where it is, and when I need it I know where to go to, and I'm now going to show you where it is. I open these doors. I've got a nice view out of the window, the farm below. Open the doors and I get the loo. Very simple mechanism, just swings round beautifully. Alright, now then, sit on it. Alright, I've lifted the lid up first, and you may notice that my feet are raised. That just happens to be fortuitous because there's an old beam here, but actually it makes the angles much better for you when you're on the loo. Right, I've done my business. Up I get, put the lid down, flush the thing here by pushing the button, and then I just pull it round like here, very light, no strength required to do that, and then I shut the doors. And then I can stand looking out of the window, and I can wash my hands, find a towel to dry them somewhere, and there's the job done. And we've got plenty of space for other things to be going on, but you'd never know there's a loo in there.